C11, CO6, CO3, CO1, blender, and white paper. If you have CO7, CO8, better. Kasi, if you notice, from C11, they jump to CO6. So there's no color in between. Medyo malayo. Makikita na difference mamaya. Biglang abrupt change. So we'll start with the black first. Okay, I will do it here. So the sink should come out to have the highlight. Okay? So the side of the sink is actually dark. So we have black here. Okay. Then blend that that 900 with C11. Blend. We start on top of the 900. Then go like that. So 900 and C11 mix. And then blend that C11 using, if you have CO8, better. I will use CO6. Top of that, CO6. Okay. Blend the CO6 using CO3. Blend the CO3 using CO1. Until you get a
Yan nawala.
Okay. So you do the same here. This time, parang medyo ganun siya. And then highlight this portion. Okay. Now, you have a top front. When the front side is just flat. So you just blend that with black. This should come out black. Black, black. Then just highlight. Any question? Okay, next. Fabric upholstery. Now, as I said, the fabric should come out